You're looking at a Cummins Incorporated Model 6 BTA 5.9-M3 diesel engine. Inline 6-cylinder, 4-stroke, turbocharged, aftercooled 5.9-liter, 370 horsepower at 3,000 RPM. Counterclockwise rotation. Liquidity Services provides buyers and sellers with the world's most transparent and innovative online marketplaces for surplus assets. We add new inventory weekly with merchandise from government agencies, corporate clients, and commercial businesses. Thank you for visiting Liquidity Services.